Happy Saturday. Good morning.
Yeah. I was finna write a song, but I've been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed
I'm gonna take you guys around today. It's been a while since I've done a vlog. And here we are making breakfast, cleaning up. And we got a few places to go today. So I figured, why not bring you guys along? So y'all, look at my vanity. It's crazy, but y'all, I have a new one on the way and I'm so hype about it. But I honestly have products everywhere, like in bags, all up under here. It's crazy. Say good morning. Breakfast sandwiches on the way. Say hi to Jack. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. Yes. And we are back. I don't know. Just picked up my sister. She's in Target. We are heading to our cousin's housewarming. She just moved here to Georgia and she's having a housewarming. So that's where we're headed. I had got her something off of her registry. I picked that up already. And my sister needed to get something for her. So Target is where we are. And we're waiting for her. And then we are going to take this 3-hour long drive to Union City.
It's only an hour.
It's what?
An hour.
+2. And I'm laying my edges because y'all know I don't play. I don't know. My eyebrows look dark today, y'all. I don't know. I put on some new lashes. What do you guys think? And I actually tried a new foundation as well. The brand is called Flesh. They were going out of, what is it? Not out of business. They were on clearance at Ulta. So I had 2 colors mixed in. I don't know.
Shades? Colors?
Colors, shades. I never seem to have the correct words. And that's why she's here. Yep. To assist with my words. There is Sissy. Say hi to the people.
Hola.
What'd you get?
Wine and wine glasses.
Oh, cute.
Yeah.
It was off the registry or you just found some?
I think she wanted wine glasses on the registry. And
Yeah.
I just picked up like the $5 bottle. I picked up a bottle.
That $5 Target wine
I haven't
hit.
opened my open mind yet.
Oh yeah, no, that stuff is good. The California roots.
Root.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah.
So, remember when I said it was 3 hours? Yesterday, it was raining really badly, and we got off the highway because I don't like driving on the highway when it's raining. And I put my directions on avoid highways. So I just went back and checked it. And guess how long our drive really is?
How long?
It's only 28 minutes.
From here? Really? Oh, shit.
Yeah. Okay, so it was saying like 1 hour and 3 minutes earlier, and it's actually like way quicker. So that makes me excited even more. Okay, later. Bye. Okay, y'all, so we here. I have to put on this stupid mask. I don't know if I'm gonna bring y'all in yet. I gotta scope out the scene. Ooh, it's flaking. So I used the new edge control and it's laid, but it's a little flaky.
She'll pick up soon.
Alright, well, I guess we're just gonna go knock on the door.
Yeah, near her phone.
We're just gonna go knock
Y'all
on.
sure it's number 42, right?
Yeah, you look, Kiki? It's at apartment 42?
Yeah, but
Yeah. Okay.
I take care of my body to get back to my best version of myself.
Tell the people why we're in Home Depot.
I'm gonna make an easel.
Are you excited?
I'm thrilled. Can you see me smiling through my mask?
Yes. Y'all, we have been all up and down these aisles.
Tell them how you got your Apple Watch turned on for a workout.
Yup. Hold on, I gotta put it back on. It's on pause.
Yeah, because you're not doing that.
She's being a hater because I'm getting my miles in and my ring is going to be closing before the end of the day. Before noon hits. Before noon hits. We've been in here for like an hour now.
That's not true. That's false.
Is it false?
Yes.
So how long we been in here?
Maybe about 20 minutes.
Plus 40 minutes. Y'all, I'm hungry. We making breakfast still?
Mm-hmm. I want coffee. I haven't had coffee in 6 months.
I
I
know.
want coffee.
But are we still making breakfast?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So guys, we have quite the day. Well, it's not really busy, but we're gonna take you on to some of our beer.
Like grizzly bear or beer?
Our beer
Thank you.
adventure. We're going to a Black is Beautiful release today, and yeah, we're gonna go to a Black is Beautiful release out in Decatur.
Yes.
Yes. I think that's all we got today. And this was just like an add-on because she woke up watching YouTube videos on how to make an easel. So here we are at Home Depot.
And the second box of your vanities coming, so I'll finish that tomorrow.
Yes, my vanity is finally gonna be all together. You guys can see the other portion of that today. Which one? Which one? Pick one. Pick one. Anyone. Anyone's a winner. Woo, 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 woo.
What? So ghetto.
Why is it ghetto? What the people say you need?
I need a wing nut, but I need a bolt that fits this one.
There's so many options.
Yes, 100.
And a million.
No, I mean like 100. I'm confirming.
Oh. I thought you meant like 100 options.
No.
And then I was adding on to say
No.
plus more. I think we're gonna be here till tomorrow.
We have beer to drink today.
And breakfast to make. And my hair to do. This is what I get for saying I wanted to come. This is exactly what I get. Hey, nobody tell me to come, but I want to be all up under her. So here I is. Is that the one? The winner chicken dinner? No, chicken. Wait, how'd it go? Yeah, winner chicken dinner.
I don't think it's long enough.
Okay, maybe it isn't a winner.
It needs to be at least 6 inches.
The screw needs to be 6 inches at least? The bolt thingy?
It'll work. Because I have to do a trim right here at an angle. So, this might be it.
Okay. You feeling accomplished? Or maybe? Excuse me.
This is the size they should have had. The 1.5 and out of it.
Because everybody named Mama doing projects.
That's the one.
AKA you.
Like again, people started doing
You.
stuff like this early
You
in
are
time.
part of everybody and their mama at this point.
Who?
You.
You said everybody?
Everybody. Just keep in mind, this is like 2 different Saturdays because we didn't really do much that other Saturday. So yeah, it's another day. It's another week. See ya. Yes, I want some beer. What you gonna get me? No. Yes, ma'am. We are here at the Lost Jewel. We've actually been here for quite some time. Sorry, guys. Forgot to pick you guys back up. But we are here. We had a flight. I'll insert some pictures of what I had. And some of the girls ordered some food. And I guess I'm about to get up with her because we're about to go get some beer. And, yeah.
Which one did you vote for?
I voted for the one you not voting for.
What does that mean?
I don't know. Okay, no problem. I'm thinking the Universal Love. On to Glare. Tell me, what's 2 of your popular ones? Oh, hey, how are you? Black Brew Babes. Yeah, from the Zoom. That's why I was like, oh.
Everybody's different.
Right.
Everybody's that tiny. So we don't have any flagships. So just about anything could be considered popular because something empties out, it comes back on.
Okay.
Have then Rise of the Oak King.
Yeah, just had that. It was so good.
Okay.
I think I want to do a taster of the juice shaker.
All of that, and I'm gonna do a small of your Universal Love.
Shaker.
Thank
That
you.
is universal.
Hello, may we have one moment? Thank you.
The mocha cookie crumble frappuccino.
What size?
Grande.
May I have a grande
Mocha cookie crumble
mocha cookie crumble
frappuccino.
frappuccino?
With almond milk.
Unfortunately, we're all out of the topping for
Oh.
that drink.
Okay, give us one moment to rethink.
You're out of all the toppings? So what? I mean, what do they have?
They got a s'mores
Let me
frappuccino.
do the s'mores frappuccino.
Do you have the stuff for the s'mores frappuccino?
No, that was just a seasonal drink. We're all out of the items that go into that.
Oh,
What? What was she saying?
they don't have that either. That was a seasonal something.
What frappuccinos do you have?
What? Do you have any frappuccinos?
Yes, I can read you our list.
Wait, what kind of Starbucks is this? Because I don't even see the other drink options. We don't have to find
I'm trying to figure out what the fuck.
We don't have to find another one.
No.
They don't have the drink that I want. May we have the mocha made with almond milk?
All right, and did you want to add those frap chips so it's more similar to the milk cookie crumble?
If it doesn't cost extra.
Does it cost extra to do that?
It'll be a 50 cents.
Even though you don't have
Even though you don't have it?
you don't have the original ingredients.
The original ingredients?
We just don't have the topping for that.
Right, so we're going to have to pay for something that you guys don't.
That you suggested that would be similar
What
to
I'm
what
saying is that the mocha cookie crumble is basically the mocha frappuccino with, we add our chocolate chips and we add a topping with cream at the top and bottom. We don't have that topping, but to make the mocha frappuccino,
I get
similar, we
that.
add-
Just a
then I
regular
don't
mocha.
think.
Just the regular mocha is fine.
Right,
What size
and
you
still
want?
want the whipped cream on that?
Sure.
Sure.
Right, anything else for you?
No, thank you. No. Because if you don't, we don't have to get it.
This is so dumb.
You don't want it.
No, because she went already on there.
Okay, that's fine. No, you're fine. We're not getting Starbucks, y'all. It really made no sense, though. Because how are you going to charge us for something that you don't have, but you suggested a alternative? That doesn't make sense.
And you want to upcharge her.
And you're upcharging us for something. And you didn't ask us what size we wanted. Girlfriend. So we're out this joint. We got our Starbucks. Show them what you got.
There's barely anything left.
I got this strawberry What is it? Acai?
Aside.
Acai. I know it's so good. So good. It's sweet, but it's very, very good.
My drink is sweet too. Whatever.
Sweet, like she said she would like put some tequila. But just wanted to let you guys know. We got our Starbucks. Show them your easel that you made. That we spent 800 hours in Home Depot for.
We didn't spend 800 hours.
We spent
Maybe 30 minutes. The time it took to make it itself may have been 45 minutes total time. If that.
just dust your shoulders off, why don't you? 45 minutes.
Maybe.
How cute.
So could have made this bolted on like this one, but I wanted it to be compact, so.
You want to put your picture on there so you could show them the full look?
Yeah.
Say hi, Jackson.
Here we go.
Bam.
So when I get ready to put it away, it's easy and compact and out of the way. So this folds up and then this all comes into one and then tighten this back and then that's it.
How cool.
Hoo-dee-hoo.
And she made me an anklet with the rest of the chain that we bought. Jackson, you're styling and profiling.
Yeah, if it start to turn.
I got to take it off because I seem to be allergic to quite some things. And I don't ever realize or find out until I start itching and I get a rash. But, you know, you never know till you try. So, there's that. Currently at my friend's birthday shindig. We are 6 feet distancing. Got some food, some pizza, some wings. And we are here chilling. My vanity. So we're gonna go from all of this, don't mind it's a little junky, but to this. And I'm gonna get some different little like organizers, I guess, to put stuff up top. Maybe like a plant or something. I don't really know yet, but I'm hyped. Like, I'll have to come back and show you guys once it's all put together, but this is her. Thanks to Bay. And we're hiking on this good Labor Day Monday. We drank a lot of beer this weekend, so we are working it off because it's only right. Forgot to film an outro to this, but this is the end of the vlog. Got a new one coming for you guys soon. I hope you guys really enjoyed this as much as we enjoyed giving you guys a little insight on our daily life on the weekends. And thanks again. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And what I always tell you guys, share with a friend. Later.